वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
Walaikum salam.
Yes, you have prepared for your, yesterday I have shared the PPT, you have prepared 10 questions. Hope so you have prepared. Shall we start with that? Okay, today, tell me about yourself. We have already discussed about this. The whenever you go to for an interview, you will get this initial question from interviewer is, tell me about yourself. Okay, so how you will, what are the things you need to be take care so that you can go through this interview. Okay, you can go through this interview. Initial question he will ask about the, tell me about yourself. In different ways he can ask, go through your resume or tell me about yourself, and other similar question in different ways. So how, what are the things you should take care, and what are the things you should do and don't do during this, during telling about yourself. So today we'll check it out about this, what are the things you need to take care to go through this interview. Okay, so I will share the screen. Okay, then we'll have an introduction part from your side. Okay, so this is tell me about yourself. So tell me who you are professionally. Professionally you have to say who you are. Okay, and your qualities aligns with the job. So you have to do the preparation for what type of job you have applied. Okay, so you should align your qualities with the job. What is the job, you should know before coming to the interview. So you have to do the preparation to which job you have applied. According to that, you have to, in tell me about yourself, you have to say those qualities related to the job. And where do you excel, where do you excel, and what do you uniquely offer that's evident to your colleagues and customers. Why should the employer consider you over competing leaders with similar skills? Okay, so number of job seekers, they will apply for that particular job. Why the employer should consider you over competing leaders with similar skills? So you have to convince yourself that you have these type of qualities. You have, based on that, you are going to, employer will going to select you as the best candidate for his organization. Then second form is, you have to tell me about yourself, means you have to give a short narrative about yourself and incorporates your main personal brand themes. Close with a message of interest. Okay, you need to take care of these three parts. Give a short narrative and incorporates your main personal brand themes. Okay, incorporate with whatever the things you are telling to the interviewer, you have to incorporate the main personal brand themes. What are the skill sets you have, what are the achievements you have, these you have to incorporate with your personal brand themes. Close with a message of interest, you show your interest towards that particular job. Close with that, your tell me about yourself, it should consist of these three parts. Then make a list of your competitive strengths and differentiators. Make a list of your competitive strengths and differentiators. Okay, your list might include topics such as, so you have to, many competitors are there. Suppose For that job, applied candidates are 100, means you have 100 competents. So you have to include the thing so that the interviewer think that you are the best one among those 100 candidates. So it show that degree from a prestigious university you have, long held passion for your career field. Okay, you have a passion for your career field. Okay, in your career you have a passion to progress. Career passion you have, and unusually broad skills that distinguish you from other candidates. Okay, broad skills, set of skills, number of skills you have. Okay, unusual broad skills that distinguish you from other candidates. Among 100 candidates, you have the best qualities and you have the broad skill set. So this you give a remark for this so that they can select you. Okay, then personal philosophy or work ethic that has driven your success. Give a personal philosophy about the work. You have the ethic towards work. Show this work how important for you. Show this in the personal interview, in the tell me about yourself, in a very short sentence. Accolades from others about your work and effectiveness. Accolades from others about your work and effectiveness. How remarkable things you will do, how your work is remarkable, and effectiveness in your work, how remarkable work will be for the organization you are going to do, and what are the effectiveness you can give to your work that can be remarkable for them. The next is two rules. Don't tell your life story. Don't tell your life story. Do tell pertinent info. Means pertinent info means you should give a relevant information, whatever you have in your resume. Okay, so do tell pertinent information, relevant information, tell about that, and don't tell life story. Then fifth is response. Broke your response into 5 categories. You have to show the response in, you have to categorize your response in 5 ways. Recent professional achievements, educational achievements, applicable skills, professional goals, reason for interest in the company. Okay, so you have to give your recent professional achievements, then followed by educational achievements, and what are the applicable skills you have for that particular job, and what are the professional goals you have towards the company, short term and long term goals related to the career. Okay, and reason for interest in the company. Show the interest, what sort of interest you have towards the company. So you should know about the company and the job description, job profile before going for an interview. Then sixth point is does, don't. Okay, so recent professional achievements. If you want to say about your recent professional achievements, do these things. Plan out 2 or 3 professional achievements before the interview. Mention achievements that relate to the position you are applying for. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, so what are the 3 things related to your professional achievements? Plan out 2 or 3 professional achievements before the interview. Mention achievements. Practice, practice. First plan out, then mention, then practice. And what are the things you should not do while saying your professional achievements? Recite your resume, don't do. Waffle around your experience, means Don't continuously saying about your experience one after the other. Waffle around your experience. Mention achievements that are unrelated to the position. So these three things don't do. Then educational achievements you have to do, you have to include three things. Explain how the abilities and knowledge you gained can be leveraged to successfully satisfy the position's requirement. Refer to extracurricular activities in which you gained leadership skills. Expand on more major projects that you worked on. Explain how the abilities you have, what are the abilities and knowledge you have gained do by doing that, and satisfy the position's requirement. Okay, this is most important thing. Educational achievement you have. Okay, you are saying I have these abilities and this knowledge, then prove it how you are going to do that. Give the satisfaction to the interviewer so that they will recruit you for that position according to the position requirement. Tell me about your educational achievements. Okay, then refer to extracurricular activities in which you gain leadership qualities. Okay, extracurricular activities, it should reflect your leadership qualities. If you have these qualities, you can go through the organization. Expand on major projects that you worked on. Before this also I have said you have to work on project, mini project, small project. Search on free, do the projects on freelancer. Okay, so that you can include in your resume, you have time. Then don't do go too in deep depth if you are already a seasoned professional. Ramble on about your thesis papers. Recite your course list. Okay, don't repeat these things. Don't go in depth, and don't give the thesis papers. uh, Organization, they will check for only the practical thing, that is project. Don't ramble on about your thesis papers, and don't recite your course list. You have done, but how you have implemented that, you have to show that. Then applicable skills, does, don't. Prepare 2 or 3 relevant skills. What are the skills you have to apply? 2 or 3 skills, relevant skills you should. And discuss skills that fit the job duties. Explain how you gain these skills. Okay, 3 things. Prepare for the 2 or 3
Hello,
relevant.
madam.
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Sorry. Previous slides. In previous slide, what is this?
Previous
Last point. Don't in
applicable skills or
nine.
educational
Yeah,
achievement.
yes, yes. Your course list. What is this? Recite your course list.
Course list means if you have done number of courses. So don't do this. Recite means saying this list of course. MS Office, C++, MS server I have done. So don't say. So you can be why list means you should be perfect in 1 or 2 things. Don't say that so on, etc. Means so many things you have done. But what are the major things you are familiar about that? What are the projects you have done? Practical. You have done this course means you have gone through that. You have that knowledge. But implementation part. So don't recite your course list. Be perfect if you have 2 to 3 here. 2 or 3 relevant skills only. Okay, so that is why it is saying recite your course list. Don't do this reciting your course list. If you have
Okay.
skill, say 2 to 3 relevant skills. And relevant skills, you have this and you have done these type of projects on that particular thing. If suppose you have done VB.net, that course, so one or two projects, one project you have done, explain it in short. Okay, you have the
Okay,
knowledge
okay.
of VB.net or Java, or suppose JavaScript you have done. So what are the, how you have implemented those concepts, explain it. Okay, like this, suppose you are doing Microsoft server administrator server. Okay, Microsoft server, so how you have implemented, just explain it. Okay, then
Okay.
discuss skills that fit the job duties, whatever. So you should know, before going for an interview, you should know the job description. According to that, prepare yourself and discuss your skills according to the job description. Explain how you gained these skills. How you gained these skills, explain means projects. You have done this, I have done this, I have worked on this, implemented this platform, on this platform I have developed this project, call monitoring project I have done on Java. As a front end, back end, I have used this database, like this. So whatever the course you have done, so where you are, where you have implemented, explain it. Okay, and don't simply list any skills that you may possess. Talk about skills that are unrelated to the position. Lie about your skills. Okay, if you don't know, don't say I know that. Okay, then career goals. This is about the career goals. Does, don't. Okay, do's, mention goals that the company can help you achieve. Talk about goals that show you are forward thinker. Demonstrate that you want to build a stable career. Okay, three things you have to mention about the goals, that the mention goals that the company can help you achieve. Individual goal you uh, just don't mention. Okay, whatever the goal you have, that in company's environment should be there to achieve that. Okay, and talk about goals that show you are forward thinker. Demonstrate that you want to build a stable career. And you should not do not don't discuss your life goals, that is owning a house, etc. Give off the impression that you lack career goals. Mention goals that you won't be able to achieve with the company. Then your interest in the company, you have to do this. Explain how the company can help you achieve your goals. Complement the company's healthy work environment. Indicate that you could see yourself with the company long time. You should not do this things. Talk about the pay. Just say you want a job. Mention you want to work for the company because of the great commute. Okay, so you have to take care of this thing. How you are going to show the interest towards the company, you have to talk about this like this. Explain how the company can help you achieve your goals, and complement the company's healthy work environment. Indicate that you could see yourself with the company long time. Okay, so any question, any queries? Any queries, please?
No, ma'am, no queries.
Okay, so let us start with the tell me about yourself, common interview questions. Okay, so very quickly we'll do this. I will ask questions. You have any those who have prepared, you can say this. Okay, answer me to the following questions.
Yesterday I have sent for you MOM, ma'am, to
Yes,
your
yeah, I
WhatsApp
have
number.
seen. Yes, you want to say
Okay.
about that?
No, ma'am,
Okay.
just I want to inform that I have sent.
Yeah, yeah. Yesterday only I have seen. Uh,
Okay.
we'll do this, then we'll go for that. Okay, MOM.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am.
Mom. So whoever who have prepared for these questions, I will ask the question, then you just tell me about yourself. Anybody quickly? Yes, anybody quickly? Go through this, tell me about yourself.
We have to say this matter, ma'am. That
Anything if you have prepared, please carry on with that. Okay, or else okay, just you are going for an interview, no, so be stick to one thing only. Okay, this is, I think so, this is short and simple, so you can go with this only, isn't it?
okay. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My name is Riaz. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my BTech from CSE. I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring, and I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Okay, once again, please, in best way.
Okay, sure. My name is Riaz Ahmad. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my BTech from CSE. I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring, and I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Once again, sir, please.
Okay. My name is Riaz Ahmad. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my BTech from CSE. I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring, and I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Okay, without saying, can you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
My name is Riaz Ahmad. I have done my BTech. I have done my BTech from CSE. Uh, like, like ma'am, some sentence will change. No, exactly, it will not come.
Okay, okay, no problem, no
I am.
problem.
My skills are matching to a profile which you are looking for. I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Okay, once again, sir, please. Good.
My name is Riaz Ahmad. I am from Hyderabad. I have done my BTech from CSE. I have the skills which you are seeing for the position, and I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Okay. Please, like here we have, I have done, I have completed. So
Yes.
done and completed, could you find any difference?
Done means just now we have done. Completed means some years happened, like some more time. It's a future tense, like.
Okay. So which one is best for completed or done?
Completed.
Yes. So please use. Okay. But done is
Okay.
a type of verb. Okay.
Okay.
Verb. Done is a verb, a past tense verb. Okay.
Okay.
Completed
Okay.
means you have completed your course. Okay. 4 years
Yes.
of degree you have completed. Years you
Okay.
have completed. Done means a particular work you have done.
Yes.
Okay, this is the difference, done and
Oh.
completed. Okay, in a
Oh.
professional manner, if you check it out for the completed and done words, in English, done means for the verb. Just now you have done, completed your work.
Yes.
So completed
Okay.
completed means 4 years of, suppose uh, I have done my you are pursuing your graduation engineering, like that engineering, but most of them they have not completed, incomplete, they will say incomplete, because
Pursuing.
if one
Yes.
or two papers left, okay, so they incomplete, so better to use completed. Okay, I have completed my bachelor in engineering, I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring, and I live with my family in Mumbai. So pressurize the words, important words. Okay, like any tuning should be there in your sentence, so that it will whatever the you are saying, it will reflect in the mind of the interviewer. You're giving an impression. Okay, so you give
Okay.
an impression on the mind by your words, by your sayings. Impressive words, okay? Impression should be there by your saying, by your conveying, by your communicating, and by your personality. Okay, once again, please.
This hello,
Yes.
this is Mohammed Amir.
Okay.
Shall I, ma'am?
Yes, yes, please.
My name is Mohammed Amir. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Osmania University in the field of commerce in 2018, and my skills are matched with this company, this role. And I live in Hyderabad with my family.
Once again, sir, please.
My name is Mohammed Amir. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Osmania University in the field of commerce in 2018. My skills are matched with this company profile, and I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Okay. Company profile or job profile?
Company job profile, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Once again, and the best way, okay, best manner, impressive, please.
My name is Muhammad Amir. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Osmania University in 2018 in the field of commerce. My skills are matched with this job profile. I live in Hyderabad with my family.
Okay, good. Once again, three times. Okay, three times. Once again.
My name is Muhammad Amir. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Osmania University in 2018 in the field of commerce, and my skills are matched with this job profile, and I live with my family in Hyderabad. Once again, ma'am.
Okay, good. Once again.
My name is Muhammad Amir. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Usmania University in 2018 in the field of commerce. I have done one project called Google Ad Server in BCom. My skills are matched with this job profile, and I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Okay, good. Great. Next. Please, anybody come up?
May I?
Yes, sir, please. Mr. Muzammil, unmute. Yes, please.
Shall I, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please continue.
Yes. Well, good afternoon. My name is Mohammed Akram. I'm from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I've completed my degree from Acropolis Institute of Technology. I'm skilled in what you are hiring. I live at my family in Bhopal.
Once again, sir.
Okay. Well, good afternoon, sir. My name is Mohammed Akram. I have completed my degree from Acropolis Institute of Technology, and I live with my family in Bhopal, and I'm skilled in what you are hiring. I'm skilled in what you are hiring. Once
Sir,
again,
excuse me. You should not specify the degree. Okay, degree, it has a different streams. Degree in different streams. You have to specify
okay, okay,
bachelor in what? Bachelor in information technology.
okay, information technology. Okay.
Okay.
Well, my name is Mohammed Akram. I have completed degree from Agropolis Institute of Technology. My stream is electronic and communications, and I have skilled in what you are hiring. I live at my family in Bhopal.
Once again, sir.
Well, my name is Muhammad Akram. I've completed my degree from Acropolis Institute of Technology. My stream is electronic and communications. And what I'm skilled in what you are hiring. I live with my family in Bhopal.
You are specifying degree. Don't specify bachelor in.
Okay. Bachelor in electronic and communications.
Yes. Okay. Say like this.
Yes.
Okay, good. Once again, please.
Well, my name is Muhammad Akram. I've completed my bachelor's degree in electronic and communications from Acropolis Institute of Technology. And I'm skilled in what you are hiring. I live with my family in Bhopal.
Okay, good, great. Next, please.
Yes, ma'am. Can you say, ma'am?
Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Usman Ali. I live in Hyderabad. I have completed my bachelor's in communication engineering, and I'm skilled in the profile that you are looking for. Like I have done my startup course in this ITS, and I'm looking forward for an opportunity from your side. Thank you.
Okay, good, great. Next.
My name is Syed Muzammil. Hello, can I?
Yes, sir.
My name is Syed Muzammil. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. I have completed my bachelor's in mechanical engineering. I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring. I live live with my family in Gulbarga, Karnataka.
Okay, once again, sir.
My name is Syed Muzammil. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. I have completed my bachelor's in mechanical engineering. I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring. I am live with my family in Gulbarga.
Okay, good, great. Next, please. Anybody?
Hello, ma'am. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
My name is Muhammad Asaduddin. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my bachelor's in electronic and communication engineering. I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring, and I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Okay, once again, sir.
My name is Muhammad Asaduddin. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my bachelor's in electronics and communication engineering. I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring, and I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Okay. Without seeing, can you say?
Okay, ma'am, I will try.
Okay.
My name is Muhammad Asaduddin. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my bachelor's in electronics and communication engineering. I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring. I live in Hyderabad with my family.
Okay, good, great. Next, please. Anybody, please? Once again, you can say anybody once again in the best way. Very effective and very confident.
Yes, ma'am. Can I say, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Yes. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. My name is Usman Ali. I'm from Hyderabad. I have completed my bachelor's in communication systems engineering, and I am skilled in IT essentials course. My strength is I am very optimistic and to the happenings in life, and I'm very helpful to the people who ask me for the help. So and I'm very much interested in working with your company, your work culture and your environment, and I'm looking for an opportunity wherein I get a chance to explore my talents and skill and become an asset for the company. So I look forward for a positive response from your side. Thank you.
Okay, good, great. Next, please. Very quickly.
My name is Riaz Ahmad. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my bachelor in computer science engineering. I am skilled in the profile for what you are hiring, and I live with my family in Hyderabad.
Okay, some more points you want to add it? Mr. Riaz Ahmed, as you have experience, you have to focus on achievement and your previous experience like that. You just add some more points.
Okay, ma'am, I will add.
Okay, add it and say. And next, please.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, please.
One minute. My name is Muhammad Amir. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Usmania University in the field of commerce in 2018. My skills are matched with this job profile, and I live with my family in Hyderabad since 15 years. Shall I say, ma'am, this like this? So 15 years
No,
or
sir. No need
no
here.
need of
Okay. Yeah.
Um,
Okay, once again, good. Go on, carry on. Once again, you
Uh,
say.
my
If
name
you
is
have done
Muhammad.
any project, just focus on that. Okay, I am sharing one more, whatever the things I have discussed in the presentation. So add those things. What are the things? Okay, no doubt about it. Tell me about yourself is one of the difficult and easiest question to answer. So one of the reasons this query is so difficult to answer is that. So it's confusing. What exactly does it mean and why are they asking it? Okay, so tell me who you are professionally and your qualities align with the job, and where do you excel, and what do you uniquely offer that's evident to your colleagues and customers. Why should the employer consider you over competing leaders with similar skills? So professionally means you have to, so three things you have to understand, that you have to give a short narrative. Yeah, tell me about yourself, short narration. Then incorporate with your personal brand. Personal brands means whatever the projects and your achievements and the goals. Three things you have to include. Okay. Then followed by your message of interest. Okay, accordingly. Okay, accordingly, just prepare and say to me today itself. Okay, three things: a short narrative, and incorporate your personal brand. Themes means whatever the skill set you have, then projects, achievements, skill set, these three things. Then give a message of interest. Please come up with this 3 points. Tell me about yourself. Okay. See here, can you see this? What are the things it should have? Okay, no doubt about it. Tell me about yourself is one of the difficult and easiest question to answer. One of the reason this query is so difficult to answer is that it's confusing. What exactly does it mean and why are they asking it? So you have to professionally, you have to tell me about yourself. Okay, in a very professional manner. Okay, then align your qualities with the job. So before this you have to check it out for the job description. According to that, give tell about your qualities and how excel you can do it. Where do you excel in software side or in software developer or administrator? Where did you excel? How excellency, how you have achieved that achievements you have to discuss in short. Your achievement, your project, your experience. Okay, these are the things you have to, and close a message of interest about the company. And tell the philosophy of your work style or philosophy of work or work ethic. Include that also. And relevant information. Don't tell your life story. Give a relevant answer to the question. Anybody ready with this? Today, whatever we are preparing for the tell me about yourself, stick to that and follow that. Prepare, practice. Inshallah, you will go through, because upcoming is the, for the freshers, upcoming interviews are there. Okay. So this is better. This is good for you if you do it in the class itself. Okay. Anybody prepared? You want to share? Yes, anybody you have prepared and you want to share it?
Ma'am, you were saying about MOM that Mr. Riaz has shared
Mhm.
about that.
Yeah, memo or like Riaz Ahmed, he has shared no that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you don't want to continue with the finally we have to complete that. Tell me about yourself. So you just prepare the things. Meantime, we'll do this. Okay, come up with this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is here. You want to discuss? You want to say about this, Mr. Riaz Ahmed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. The first one is like, ma'am, when the meeting has been done, like date and time,
Yeah.
and that follows with the meeting type. Like
Yeah.
sometimes will be general meeting, and
Mhm.
the meeting organizer,
Yes.
she is my team lead, ma'am.
Okay.
And meeting location, that is our company name. Meeting venue, like we have 4 conference room, any one of the conference room,
Mm.
and the date.
Yeah.
And the next column is like how many people attendance.
Mhm.
On the day, no were absent. Everyone was present in the meeting.
Okay.
And after that, there is a brief discussion agenda, like what are the issues we have discussed in that meeting.
Okay.
And the second and the last one is like that summary. Like here, it is a heading. What are the issues in the project? We have elaborate and written
Solution
in
for that
summary.
agenda.
Yes.
Good.
And at last, the conclusion, meeting of the conclusion.
Okay. Nice. Good. So we have seen a live example for the MOM, minutes of meeting. It's very important in any organization, notice, agenda, and the MOM. So it's a written. See, check this. If you want to convey the things, you are giving in the written format. That is a professional way. You want to convey the things without calling them a number of employees. You are conveying through the notice message you are giving that we are conducting this meeting or a program. So you have to gather, and before this you have to whatever the things you have to discuss in the meeting, you will prepare an agenda of the meeting. Then during the meeting you will prepare minutes of meeting, means what are the things you have discussed and what are the solutions you have resolved. That is a, so these are interrelated. Notice, then agenda, then the meeting minutes. So in any organization, these three concepts you should know, you should familiar of these things. Okay, hope so you have familiar about this. Yes, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And the main important thing is, ma'am, like suppose there are 6 members.
Okay.
We don't know whom the team lead will assign to do MOM. So everyone
Yeah.
should listen in that
Yeah.
meeting. Then they have to mention.
Yeah. Just like vote of thank also, anybody like that on the spot they will give and you have to prepare. No, so
Yes.
everyone should prepare during the meeting. You should be keep the things, a notepad and the pen, so that you can prepare the things what you have discussed. So it's a professional way of keeping the notepad and pen with you every time, whenever you're going in the meeting or the conference, anywhere. Okay. Then, shall we move towards tell me about yourself? Prepared? Yes, anybody prepared? Okay, yesterday I have said you have to prepare for 10 questions. Okay, now you have this. Why have you been unemployed for such a time? Okay, anybody answer this? This is a very good question, that why you have been unemployed for such a time, because you have gone through some advanced personality development courses with freelance work. Freelance work means you are not attached with any organization, you are doing freely. Okay, you have not belonged to any organization, independently you are doing. Okay, say this, anybody please.
Yeah, ma'am. Freelance means own work, but if they ask what you was doing in freelance, so means what we need to.
So you should be familiar. If you are saying this, you should be familiar. On
Yeah.
the net, freelance work will be there. Okay, go through that, prepare yourself so that you can answer it, isn't it? You will
Yes.
gain
Yes.
knowledge. No, by doing this freelance work, you will be gaining some knowledge and practical thing, how you're implementing the concepts using project, isn't it? We cannot say like this, we are with freelance work. The organization, they won't ask for the proof. If you have belonged to, if you are keeping fake experience, that time they will ask, they will go for the reference names, contact numbers. For freelance work, they won't. What are your career goals? Important question. Anybody please? What are your career goals? Yes, anybody please come up with.
My short-term goal is to hello,
Yes, yes, sir, please. Yes.
hello.
Yes, yes, I
My
can hear you.
short-term goal is to get a job in reputed IT company where I can put my hardware and networking skill. And
Mhm.
my long-term goal is to develop my skill and become responsible and knowledgeable personality in my company.
Okay, good. Good going, mashallah. Good. Once again, please.
My short-term goal is to get a job in reputed IT company, and my long-term goal is to develop my skill and become responsible and knowledgeable personality on respected position on my company and grow with the company.
Okay, once again, sir, please.
My short-term goal is to get a job in reputed IT company. My long-term goal is to develop my skill and become responsible and knowledgeable personality on respected position on my company and grow with company.
Okay, good. Next, please. Anybody?
Yes, ma'am. My short-term goal is to work in a reputed organization like yours, where I can enhance my technical skills and knowledge.
Mhm.
My long-term goal is to see the company at a topmost position where I am one of the people responsible for that.
Okay, good. Once again.
Yes, sure. My short-term goal is to work in a reputed organization like yours, where I can enhance my technical skills and knowledge.
Mhm.
Whereas my long-term goal is to see the company at a topmost position where I am one of the people responsible for that.
Okay, good. And Mr. Muzammil, you have given a short-term goal to get a job in reputed company. After getting that, how you will um, uh, deal with the company, you just elaborate that. Okay. Okay, Mr. Muzammil, elaborate once you get the job, how you will accomplish that job with your skills. Just elaborate that. Okay. Next, please. Yes, anybody, please. Next.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start?
Yes, yes, please. Which one? Describe
Yeah,
your
short-term goals. That goals, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
My short-term goal is to get a career in information security company, where I can utilize my skills and knowledge for the for my personal development and my company. And my long-term goal is to contribute to the success of the company, wherein I can grow with the company and I can become an asset for it. Thank you.
Okay. Once again, sir, please.
My short-term goal is to get a job in information security company, where I can utilize my skills for the professional and the personal and professional development. My long-term goal is to get a stable career in the company, wherein I can contribute to the success of the company and I can grow with it.
Okay, good, great. Next, anybody, please? Muhammad Amjad.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so which one goal you want to say? Goals?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My short-term goal is to get a job in a required company where I can utilize my skills and enhance my skill and advance my skill, where I can advance my career path. And my long-term goal is to be in a decent position in the organization, in your company.
Once again, sir, please.
My short-term goal is to get a job in required company where I can utilize my skills, enhance my skills and advance my skills and advance my career path. My long-term goal is to be in decent position in that organization.
Okay, good, great. Next, please. Anybody? What position do you prefer on a team working on a project? This is very good question. What position do you prefer on a team working on a project? Yes. What position do you prefer on a team working on a project?
Yes, ma'am. I want to.
Okay, sir, please.
It doesn't matter about position till I learn something new in every project where I can learn something new knowledge that the team players will automatically decide the position of players. Team player.
Okay, good. Once again, sir.
It doesn't matter of position till I learn something new in every project. If I learn something new in every project, the team player will come to know who is best for team leader, which position they will guide for everyone.
Team leader will judge
Yes.
the team players. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next. Anybody, please?
Hello, madam.
Yes, sir.
Network problem. That's why I. What are you saying last time?
What position do you like? Yes, team player. Okay, team leader is
No, madam. Go in goal. I'm saying, and suddenly network goes
go.
gone. That yes. That's
Goal. You have to. You said that for short term goal, you want to work for a reputed company. Then elaborate the things how you are going to work to achieve that goal. You should
yes.
elaborate. Okay. So
Okay.
just you have given that I want to work for in a reputed company. just okay, where I can utilize, okay, where I can explore my skill set, you can say. Okay, continue with one more
Okay, ma'am.
sentence for short term goal. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Jazakallah. Next, please. Yes, next, please. Anybody, please? Mr. Muhammad Amjad.
Yeah, ma'am. I just said yes.
Okay, okay. Mr. Muzammil.
It doesn't matter till I learn something new in every project.
Okay, okay. And this is, are you a team player?
Yeah, yes, the team which I was part of have successfully completed the project within the deadline.
Yes, the team which I was a part of have successfully completed the projects within deadlines.
Yes.
Once again, please.
Yes, the team which I was part of have successfully completed the project within the deadline.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to say about the.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, the team which I was a part of, self motivation and dedicate goals, common goals have successfully completed the project with deadlines.
Okay, once again, sir.
Yes, the team which I was part of, self motivation, motivated team, not self motivation, motivated team, and common goal, desire goals to be completed to completed the goals I have successfully completed in the project with deadlines.
Okay. So are you writing? You are writing this question and answers?
No, ma'am, I didn't write. I just I read that question and I said.
Okay. Because just prepare, okay? Whatever you are doing in the class, just
Yeah,
make
yeah,
a record in your diary so that later you can go through this. You
yeah, yeah,
have to
ma'am.
go
No,
through.
ma'am, I'm taking screenshot and I will write in notes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. I have shared the link also no, in the group yesterday.
Yeah, ma'am. That's in my different phone.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
fine. So be
Okay.
prepared so that the upcoming job opportunities are there, okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Prepare, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, anybody with the answers? Yes, anybody with the answers? Okay, we'll stop. Tomorrow we'll have a class. Okay, inshallah. Be prepared and do for the first round of the interview. That is, tell me about yourself. Do the preparation for this. Tomorrow I will come up with the same question. You have to say with confidently and effectively. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
inshallah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. I want some difference in saying, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Inshallah.
ma'am.
Okay. Inshallah. Assalamu
That's
alaikum
our
wa
efforts
rahmatullahi
and
barakatuh.
confidence, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Good.